In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate music from a prompt in ElevenLabs, step by step, so you can create custom music quickly and easily, even if you've never used the tool before. This is a great feature if you want to make background music for videos, intros, social media content, podcasts, or just experiment with AI-generated sound. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and head to the left sidebar. From there, look for the music option and click on it. This takes you into the music generation area where you can start building your track from a written prompt. Once you're in the music section, you'll see a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. In the prompt box, describe the exact kind of music you want ElevenLabs to create. The more specific you are, the better your results will usually be. You can include the genre like lo-fi, cinematic, pop, electronic, orchestral, ambient, or hip-hop. You can also describe the mood such as calm, energetic, dramatic, emotional, uplifting, dark, or relaxed. Next, add the tempo if you want to guide the pace of the track. For example, you could ask for a slow, medium, or fast tempo, depending on the style you want. You can also mention instruments such as piano, guitar, drums, synths, strings, or ambient pads, so the model has a clearer direction. Another important detail is whether you want vocals or instrumental music. If you want a pure background track, make sure to say instrumental only. If you want vocals or a song-like feel, include that in your prompt as well. And finally, mention the intended use. For example, you might say it's for a YouTube intro, a podcast background, a product promo, a meditation video, or a short-form reel. That extra context helps shape the final result in a more useful way. As a quick example, you could type something like this: upbeat lo-fi instrumental, relaxed mood, medium tempo, soft piano, warm drums, and mellow synths for a YouTube study video background. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. ElevenLabs will then create music based on your instructions. Give it a moment to process, and after that, you'll be able to listen to the result and see whether it matches the style you were aiming for. If it's not quite right, don't worry, you can always refine your prompt by changing the genre, adjusting the mood, adding different instruments, or being more specific about how you want it to sound. That's one of the best parts of prompt-based music generation. You can keep improving the result until it fits your project perfectly. So to recap, open music from the left sidebar, write a detailed prompt with genre, mood, tempo, instruments, vocals or instrumental, and intended use, then click Generate to create your custom track. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.